Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2024 Denali HD Ultimate. This one came to us out of Texas. It's got the 4-inch Cognito lift. We've adjusted it up to about 5.5 inches. We also did the color match OE flares. Now these are not the factory flares, these are the OE paintable flares that have been color matched. Tinted the corner lights as well that are in the flares. 22 by 12 American Force wheels. 315 45 24 Nitto ridges. That comes out to a 35 12 50. Now this is the Elite Elka Series kit. You're going to have your high speed and low speed adjustments here. The Elite Series is going to get you your upper arms that you see here, your Elka shocks. You can also get the Elite and the King, and then you're going to have your Pitman and idle arm braces. And this is a full kit. Maintains, excuse me, maintains really good angles. Now, since we did have to adjust this up for some additional tire clearance, the angles are not completely flat, but still really good. Now, the reason we had to adjust it up is because of the wider wheels. We still did have to do some clearance modifications. We moved the bumper forward 3/4 of an inch. We added the Kelderman caps. You see the Kelderman caps here. Just cuts back, removes the flare, slants back, and gives you a lot more tire clearance. You have to trim some of your plastic through here on the bottom corner of the bumper, and then some of your inner felt through here. Really, really sick looking truck. We also did a BDS steering stabilizer. See if I can get you in here to see the Pitman and idle arm braces along with that stabilizer. Maybe you can see that. Now to adjust this kit up, you use the Cognito keys, and then we swapped into a 3-inch rear block. You see the rear shocks are also going to be adjustable. See the adjustment knobs there on the bottom of the resi. It's a really good looking truck. This blue looks really nice. Give you a close up of the wheels. We also have to trim some of your inner felt back through here. It works well with that Kelderman cap, just to give you a little additional tire clearance. And on these, you can't really even tell the bumpers move forward, but it does give you a substantial amount of clearance, because you can only trim so much on these before it looks bad, because you've got your plug here, and I'm not going to get any closer to it than this, because any closer than this and it's going to start looking noticeable. Just give you a little walk around of the truck. I can't imagine that the camera really shows how well this, or how awesome this truck looks. It just, in person, and it's amazing. Give you a shot of the back of the rear cross member. You can see the non-torsion drop system. If you look here, it keeps the torsion bars up in the factory frame rail so they don't hang down. It uses that non-torsion drop bracket. You can see a rear cross member. I really like how they tie the front and rear cross members together with that skid plate. Got a couple more 24s in here as well. We got this 24 dually. We got this 24 here. This one's getting the coilover conversion. This is the BDS kit. Show you a little peek on it. This is the full coilover conversion on it. Sure, we'll do a solo video on that one as well. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.